Every newborn child who is born needs a communication skill. And if the child born is hard of hearing, he cannot hear and he cannot speak. So what happens is life and the careers are affected because he cannot attend a normal school. He cannot do a post graduations and graduations, and he becomes non-dependent to everybody. Whenever somebody talks to these children, they feel that child is a dumb because he doesn't respond or answer. They also feel the child is mute because child is not able to speak a word. This was happening before. Things are changing, and now with the latest world of technology development, one can make this child self-dependent. He can have develop a communication skill. He can go to the normal school, do a graduations and post graduations, and he can earn livelihood for everyone. This is possible, and that is the reason Joe's Foundation has started a mission, Silent the Silence. What does that mean? What we are trying to do is, when the child is just born, one has to do what is called as OAE, that is autoacoustic emission testing. This is a very simple test where you put a probe in the child's canal and it will tell you pass or fail. Pass means child has a normal hearing, and the fail means child has some hearing loss which requires ENT surgeon to see, investigate, and do a treatment. It has been reported that more than 20% deafness over the world is in India. And every child, that is after 2.5 children born in 1,000 children born, has got congenital deafness. And they do have a residual hearing. So if it is detected in a first day and then they are provided with hearing aid or with the cochlear implant, which is to be done within the first 2 years of life, this child will develop a normal hearing. This child will develop a normal speech. And then we have to see that the whole world he will be able to communicate, and we have to see and scrap the word which has been there as they are the dumb and mute, because they will be able to communicate and they will become self-dependent. This is the message which I want you to do. And every hospitals in their hospital should ideally do this test. And I request that if it is possible, the birth certificates should also show that this testing is done. This can make a huge difference, because preventive treatment and early treatment can make a huge difference in the life, and they will behave as normally as you and I. And that is the reason we say that one earth, one nation, and one family. We want to see that these children become a part of our family. So let us begin with making the silence as our mission. Thank you.